Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of Learn Ethical Hacking from Zero using OverTheWire Bandit, and this is the level 19th and episode 16th of the series. So if you look at the level goal of this level, which is the level 18th to 19th, and here is the goal, that is the password for the next level is stored in the file which is readme file and which is inside the home directory, which is very easy. You just log in and you got the home directory. But unfortunately, someone has modified the shell login file, which is bashrc, to log out when you log in with the SSH. In the previous video, you came to know that if we put the correct password, even we get logout issue. So if we try to log in using the credentials which we got from the previous level, then we can see there is some issue, some logout issue, and that happens because of this thing. So we are going to use this, and oh sorry man, sorry, I directly saw the password. I directly showed the password for the next level, but here you can see we need to cut these things, because first we need to check it now, man, what is the thing. Okay, so that was the correct password. You can copy it and it will be useful. But how that came? So here you need to understand that how things work. So if we put the login using the correct password, even it says bye bye, just because the file has been modified so that when the user logs in, it got logged out. There is not a much bigger issue. But here is a twist. Now you will say how you can log in or access those things. So there is a you can say a boon or whatever, like if you are using SSH, then you can after giving the command SSH, the port number, the user name, and at the rate, then IP address, and if you put some commands which you give in the terminal like ls, then it will ask you for the password because it logs out. But what here you can see that there is a readme file. Now you will say how this is working. So for verifying like where I am, who I am, if you give again the password and the command pwd, it will give the current directory, and we are inside the current directory. So now you can figure it out. If you are thinking like an hacker, now you can easily figure it out what can be the next command. If you guessed it right, then it's a very good sign that you are learning from whatever you are watching. Not just you are watching, you are learning from what you are getting from my content, guys. If you guessed it right, then you are on the right way to become an ethical hacker. So here you can see we got the password for the next level. So this was very easy. SSH does not only provides you the login access, you can use some commands also. They will give you some output based on your input. It is just like a SQL injection, like 1 is equal to 1, if this is equal to this, and is equal to and, like that. So this was very easy. Here we got the password. You just need to copy paste, and for the verification you can log in using this on the next level, that is level 19th, so that you can verify that this is the right password or not. So if we put the password here, then you can see we got the access. So in this level there was nothing, there was just the thinking like how a hacker thinks. So this was all in this video. Let's see you guys in the upcoming video. Till then, stay safe or stay secure. Bye bye, regards, Trend Have Academy.